You've probably driven a car with cruise control. It makes long trips easier and can help you avoid speeding tickets. But when you add other cars on the road, using cruise control may not be such a bright idea. You're constantly hitting the brakes, pushing buttons, and pretty soon the cruise control is actually making the trip more stressful. What if the system could help manage all the braking and button pushing for you? What if the system could be smarter? That's exactly what Hyundai Smart Cruise Control is here to do. It uses the same radar sensor as automatic emergency braking to manage the distance to traffic in front of you. Here's a quick look. Without other cars ahead, the system maintains a steady speed. Simple, huh? But if a slower car appears ahead, Smart Cruise Control gently applies the brakes to slow your car and keep a set distance between the two vehicles, even if the other vehicle almost comes to a stop. That is so cool! Now this is where we get into an important detail. Hyundais equipped with an electronic parking brake work differently. Those models can actually bring your vehicle to a stop if the traffic ahead comes to a stop. And if traffic resumes moving within a few seconds, Smart Cruise Control will actually start you moving again also. If it takes longer, you'll have to press the accelerator yourself or press the resume button to resume motion. This feature is called Stop Start. In Hyundais without an electronic parking brake, if your speed drops to about 6 miles per hour, the system will turn itself off and you'll need to take over driving until it's safe to use the Smart Cruise Control again. Using Smart Cruise Control is super easy. After pressing the steering wheel cruise button once to turn on cruise control, hold the steering wheel's vehicle-to-vehicle distance button down until SCC mode is displayed in the gauge cluster. This is also your chance to set the distance the system keeps between you and the car in front. By default, Smart Cruise Control uses the largest distance. You can change this setting by using the vehicle-to-vehicle distance button on the steering wheel. For example, at 55 miles per hour, 4 lines is about 170 feet between cars. 3 lines is about 130 feet. 2 lines is about 100 feet. And 1 line is about 80 feet. Make sure to choose a distance that is safe for your driving habits. Alright, let's talk a little common sense. However smart it may be, cruise control shouldn't be used in heavy traffic. And because it's not an automatic pilot, you'll still need to pay attention to the road ahead. Okay? Hyundai's Smart Cruise Control. It's miles ahead and helping to take the stress and work out of long driving trips. It can make you feel smarter just by using it.